How to get dark mode on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Geek. In today's video, I will show you the way on how you can actually get dark mode on TikTok. But before we get started with the video, if you're new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, if you're on iPhone and Android, the trick is actually a little bit different. Because on iOS, it's very simple. You just have to open up TikTok, and once you open up TikTok, you have to go to profile page and tap on the three lines at the top, and if you go to settings, you'll find the option called dark mode on the settings tab. But unfortunately on Android, this option is not available. So how do we get dark mode on Android? Well, I will just recommend you one thing, and first of all, make sure to update both the TikTok app to the latest version. So go to Play Store and then search for TikTok. Make sure you have updated it, and just in case, I will also tell you to download the TikTok Lite application. So as you can see, I have both TikTok and TikTok Lite installed. Now what I will do is I will go ahead and show you. If I open the TikTok app, as I showed you already, it was on my lighter theme, and as you can see, I don't have the dark theme option. And if I also show you my TikTok Lite application, you can see that this is also in the lighter version. So how do we switch to dark mode if there isn't a native option over here? So as you can see, we don't have the option as well. Well, what we have to do is we have to force our TikTok apps to go into dark mode. So for that, open up settings. Once you open settings, go to the option called about phone, and over here go to software information, and you have to spam tap on the build number at least 7 to 8 times in order to enable developer options. Now this process is same for all Android devices. Just look for the build number option and tap on it in order to enable developer options. It will ask you for a confirmation. Just go ahead and then do that and hit the next button. As you can see, developer mode has been enabled. Now you have to basically just come back and look for the option called developer options over here. So I'll just tap on it. If I go to developer options, you can see it's on. Now I will go ahead and then look for the option called force dark mode. So I will just look for the option called force dark mode over here. And as you can see over here, force apps to use dark mode even if not fully supported. When you turn this on, our Android phone is going to force applications to go into dark mode even if they are not natively supported. Now this could work and not work on the TikTok application. So let me just go ahead and close it. And if I open my TikTok app over here, and if I show you, you can see that we're still on a light mode. This process may work for some, while it may not work for some of the devices. It is working for S21 Ultra, S22 Ultra, and some of the latest flagships from Samsung or anything. But unfortunately, on my phone as well, it is not working on the TikTok application. But instead, what I recommended you was to download the TikTok Lite application earlier. So if the TikTok application doesn't support dark mode, most likely the TikTok Lite would definitely do it. So if I go to profile page over here, you can see our TikTok Lite application is in the dark mode. Yes, things are a little bit messy because they're not natively supported. You can see those inversions and so on. But this is it, and this is a simple way, because unfortunately, if TikTok app doesn't support, TikTok Lite is most likely going to. I'll just recommend you to install the light version instead and go ahead and try to switch to dark mode in that way. But if it works for you on the native TikTok app, that's perfectly fine as well. But unfortunately, I don't understand why TikTok has not updated this feature for Android users. I think that they just find it so complicated. Hopefully this video answered your question, and we hope the video helped you in either way. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.